This is a tutorial on how to add base locations or current locations. To do this, you would go down to GroundData. You do need special access to edit GroundData, so if you don't have access, please contact an MFP rep. You would click on GroundData on the left here, and then you would scroll down to storage locations. You will locate your institution, click on manage, and then you would add new storage location. I will do a test. You can have barcode automatically generated or written by you. I'll generate a barcode. This is not relevant, so I will skip this part. You can just click no and then click on the check mark right here. What it does specifically, let's go back to home or overview screen, and let's click on, for example, on this instrument right here. What it does is when you scroll down to base location or current location, now you have the option of selecting this new location we have just added together. Same thing for current location. Here it is, test. Hope this makes sense and helps.